You may already know that in order to insert a new row in Excel, we can just select a row and then right-click, then select Insert, and then the Excel will insert a row above this selected row. There is also a quick method to insert multiple rows. So just select as many rows as we want, then right-click anywhere in this range, select Insert, and then it inserts all of the rows. And of course, we can do the same thing with columns. So select multiple columns, say 3, right-click, Insert. So as you can see, 3 new columns were inserted.